My friends, good afternoon or good day. This is also one of my designs, gele, beautiful, unique, and it will make you be different from other persons that will appear in that occasion. Okay, please, maybe you'll be seeing this face. I'm doing other videos. Just know that this is Igbomosa Osase, and she's my sister. She'll be doing other videos maybe as the time goes. So don't be afraid. I'm still the designer. Okay, and my name still remains Igbomosa Happy. Please give me a call if you really want this kind of design. It's very beautiful and it is unique. Please don't forget my phone number still remains the same: 081 102 69414 or 081 688 06270. Give me a call. Let's talk business. Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye for now.